guys, now we are in front of Audi, all new, all beautiful Audi A3 Cabriolet, which is convertible as well as coupe. So car looks very sturdy, very solid, and it have a very beautiful look when the rooftop is opened. You can see the tires. Tires have a very low tread. These are very low profile tires, and with uniquely designed alloy wheels, and they are designed for very high grip. This is a very beautiful racing car which comes with a 1.8 liter engine, and the back of the car looks beautiful as well. It comes with a A3 branding, 4 rings of Audi, which looks very beautiful, and then 40 TFSI technology branding, which is this 1.8 liter engine, which gives a very good performance while you are on road. It gives a very good economy as well. Seats are very beautiful. Seat does contrast with the car, and they look very beautiful, very elegant, very stylish. When you are inside the car, you do not see any gate to enter the back side, but what you have to do is you have to pull this lever here. It comes right like this, and it slides a bit above, and then you enter the car. Cool, right? So when you open the door, the first thing that you see is window grills, window buttons, and this one opens all the windows at once. Next thing that you see is a car locking and unlocking switch. Now you come across the steering of the car, which is very beautiful, very sturdy, very high grip handle. It have all the menu buttons, which you can control, from which you can control your odometer. Car have been driven just 13,500 kilometers. Here you find a fuel meter and speedometer. This one is the odometer. And one thing that you find very beautiful in the car is its screen. When you switch the car on, screen pops out, and when you switch the car off, screen goes back. You find the AC vent is also very clean, very good, very powerful AC, and it have Bose speakers inbuilt, which gives very good quality sound. You will enjoy the ride quality in this car. Started the car, and we just have to put this car in drive mode, and the car is on. So you can see the weather is windy, and you can very much enjoy the soft top which car have. I have opened the roof, and I am enjoying the wind. I have not even pressed the accelerator, and car is accelerating very smoothly. And the handle of the car is its very unique feature. I am just driving the car with my one finger. Car handles the bumps very easily. and the sound quality of the car is also very good. Uh, Guys, this completes our review of Audi A3 Cabriolet, which is a very unique combination of convertible and coupe. So, uh, as we have seen the car in and out. Now, let us discuss the price and price of the car. So, this is a 2014 Audi A3 Cabriolet.
Okay.
It have been driven only 13,500 kilometer, as you can see on the odometer. So it is very less driven car, very beautifully used, and there is no work required at all in this car.
Okay.
And you can get the deal of the car in just 28 lakh rupees.
Only.
We are ready to negotiate also, and we can provide a very good deal to anyone who is very interested in it. And guys, keep liking us, keep sharing the video, keep subscribing the channel, and we hope you stay away from corona. And cheers guys, thank you, thanks a lot.
Okay.